Have you ever wondered about the mysterious world of cryptocurrency? A world where digital currencies are born, grow, and sometimes even fade away. Today, we're diving deep into one such digital currency, the lunar coin. Before we delve into the value of a lunar coin, let's understand what it is and where it comes from. Lunar coin is a cryptocurrency, a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. It's part of a larger family of cryptocurrencies that includes Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. But what sets lunar coin apart? Well, like many cryptocurrencies, it's built on blockchain technology. This technology creates a decentralized ledger, ensuring transparency and security. Think of it as a digital record-keeping system that's incredibly difficult to hack or manipulate. The value proposition. Now, the million-dollar question, how much is one lunar coin worth? Unlike traditional currencies, the value of a cryptocurrency can fluctuate wildly. This is influenced by a variety of factors, including market demand, technological advancements, and global economic events. To get the most accurate and up-to-date value, I recommend using a cryptocurrency exchange or price tracking website. These platforms provide real-time information on the current market price of lunar coin and other cryptocurrencies. Factors affecting lunar coin's value. Several factors can influence the price of lunar coin. Market demand. If more people are buying lunar coin, its demand increases, potentially driving up the price. Technological advancements. Positive developments in the lunar coin ecosystem, such as improved scalability or new features, can boost its value. Regulatory environment. Government regulations and policies can significantly impact the cryptocurrency market. Positive regulatory developments can lead to increased investor confidence and higher prices. Global economic events. Economic events like recessions, inflation, or geopolitical tensions can affect the overall market sentiment, including the price of cryptocurrencies. The volatility of cryptocurrencies. It's important to remember that cryptocurrencies are highly volatile. This means their prices can fluctuate rapidly, sometimes within minutes. While this volatility can lead to significant gains, it also carries significant risks. Investing in cryptocurrency, a risky endeavor. If you're considering investing in lunar coin or any other cryptocurrency, it's crucial to do your own research and understand the risks involved. Cryptocurrencies are a speculative investment, and there's no guarantee of profit. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.